So this is how you can download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for PowerPoint. Today you will learn how to download the app for free. So let's go ahead and go to our search bar at the bottom left corner and then tap on Microsoft Store, or just simply search for it. And once you're here, this is what you're going to see. At the top there will be a search bar. Now you're going to want to type Office 365. Just simply type that, and then you will go ahead and want to tap on apps. And once you're here, you're going to want to scroll down and then tap on Microsoft 365 Office. Now, this will take you to the page of this app. You're going to want to tap on install if you don't have the app already, because for me it says open because I already have the app. That may be the case for you, but if it's not, just simply tap on install and then you're good to go. But if you somehow can't install the app, you're going to want to exit out of the Microsoft Store and then simply just search for Office 365. Now tap on the very first link, Microsoft 365 login, and then you're going to want to just simply tap on sign in. Now, once you sign in, you're good to go. You can use the app. And let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to use the app by opening it real quick. And here we are. As you can see, there are many apps on the side, including PowerPoint. Now you're going to want to go there, and then you can choose from these presentations that you can use as a template. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.